am gonna use this Doom's colors pencils, and the reason behind using these specific colors that they are cheap and easily available on nearly every art store. So it's a good choice for beginners. Anyways, I have selected the following colors for this specific drawing, and you can pause the video right here to note them down. Hi, welcome back. In this video, I'm gonna draw a beautiful and colorful toucan bird. So, without wasting any time, let's get started. So, as always, I'm already done with this rough outline, and you can find both the reference image and grid reference in the description. So, first of all, I'm gonna render this eye portion first. I'm gonna use this black color to darken these outlines. Now using light blue color to fill the rest with a base color. Now add the second layer using dark green color, which will give you cyan or turquoise color in the eye. Now grab black color and fill the pupil. Sorry, the video clip is deleted, and fill the pupil using black color. Okay, now you can use your jelly roll pen and add the highlights in the upper side of the RS. Just like this. Now use this yellow color and fill the surrounding portion of the eye with a base layer. Fill this portion slowly and thoroughly. Okay, now grab the parrot green color and fill around the eye. And add these little lines using the black color. Now I am gonna use the same yellow color and fill the remaining front portion. Fill it slowly and thoroughly. Don't rush into finishing the drawing if you really want to achieve some realistic results, because realism requires some patience. Okay, now grab sharp tip graphite pencil or black color and add these texture lines for the fur or feathers. Fill this whole yellow portion with these texture lines or feathers. Once you're done with this, you can use your light brown color and add the color on same of these lines. You just add it to blend them and get a even contrast, just like this. Once you're done with this, you can use your mono zero eraser and add these white lines in between to get realistic feather texture. And also add some darker shade below the beak using a black color or a pencil. And blend it using light brown color. Okay, moving on to black feathers portion, and I am gonna fill it with black color. Now grab red color and fill this portion. Now add these black feathers over this red portion, just like this. And then fill the remaining portion with a plain black color. Okay, now for this upper portion, I am gonna use this dark brown color and add the base layer. Now I am gonna use the black color and repeat the same process as I did in the lower portion and fill this area with feathers. Now grab the craft knife and add some white highlights in between these darker ones. And with this final step, we are done with this realistic toucan body. I will continue this big portion in the next part. I hope you enjoyed and learned something new from this tutorial. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram for more tips and tricks. So thank you so much for watching. Keep learning, keep drawing. See you in the next video.